not in the frame. Okay, so we have almost everything that we need. A few. Okay. So we have everything that we need, and we are about to start the process of putting our home together. How does it feel, Anishu? Months and like weeks of like living in so much mess. Yeah, we're super excited. So this is the current state of the house. Lots and lots and lots of mess around. And there is some new parcel, IKEA. It's finally here.
Oh, are you ready?
Let's get.
Don't break it, please get up.
Let's get this started. Okay.
So it's time you lose weight.
No, I don't want you in my video. So what's our plan, Anisha?
Out here, and then there are a lot of boxes kept out here that we have to unbox, and I think we'll get more space here. Once we do that, then we can do the assembling bit.
Yeah.
And
so
then
basically there's some furniture that still needs assembling, like the bar, stools and all that. I didn't tell you guys that basically we ditched the idea of getting a dining space to accommodate other furniture and other areas. So we're using this extension as our makeshift dining area. So we got like 2 bar chairs to put in here, so then we can like basically use it like an open kitchen and a dining area. So we're excited.
so basically we have all the curtain rods also to do. Basically we have to. Is there anything to do here? No, nothing. Oh, we
Basically
we have there a lot of stuff to do.
lot of stuff to do, yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, without wasting any further time, let's get this day started. I know I was taking you around in the store whenever I was shopping, but I didn't really get a chance to show you guys everything that I got. So obviously I'm not gonna show you every single thing, but as you're unpacking, like if there's a couple of things that I really love or something that was a good find, I would love to show you guys. So yeah, we'll quickly start with the unboxing session, and I'll tell you where we picked up those things from, if I remember how much they are for. I'm still not used to this whole AED dirham business. Like I still think in INR. I know all you Indians who are here will relate with this. I immediately do the conversion as to how much it is in Indian rupees, and then I figure if it's cheap, expensive or whatever it is. The plan is to organize stuff in a way that things that are going in the hall in one area, things that are going in the bathroom in one area, things that are going in the bedroom one area, things that are going in the kitchen in one area, so that we just quicker with our arrangement. So yeah, what are we waiting for? You want to start with the IKEA or do you want to start with the...
That's what I thought we'd start with.
Yeah.
Like this, baby.
So like I told you guys that I wanted the house to have a lot of rustic and warm feel, and you know, a lot of natural elements that I use like jute and wood and everything. I came across this beautiful candle holder at Home Center. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, and it has this little glass candle holder in the middle. I've already picked up like a scented candle for this, and I love pieces like this which you can move around. You don't really have to necessarily stay in one place, because I tend to get really bored with my home decor soon. So I like to switch things up. So I think I could really use this here, put it in the bedroom, or you know, like just play around with this, and it's so pretty. Also got this planter again from Home Center. So you'll see a lot of stuff from Home Center, Homebox, IKEA, and any other place that we shopped at? Pan Emirates. So yeah, this is one of the planters which are so in trend right now. So yeah, and I think I'm going to possibly DIY another planter because I couldn't find a size that I wanted, and it was either too expensive if I found it. So yeah, this is the planter. Green plants and this whole nature element going on in the house, but I don't know how many of you all know the weather in Dubai can be really funny because it's really cold 6 months of the year and it is really hot the other 6 months of the year. So come April, May, it gets really hot and it goes to as bad as like 50 degrees in the day. That's what it was this year. I'm assuming it might just get worse the next year. So we didn't really want to risk getting a lot of like real plants because not quite sure if they would survive given the weather and the bad sunlight in the house. So we got a lot of these faux plants that actually look pretty convincing. Like they do look really real. Yeah, keeping up with the natural elements, a lot of hanging stuff like this. And then I got this for my study area, like my work area, wherein I just wanted to continue the theme. And of course the huge plants that also we picked up are faux plants. I do plan to get a few real like easy to maintain plants, but not too much of them because I'd hate to see them die. Everything's from IKEA and I'm so excited that IKEA is now in India. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link in the description box below everything that we ordered from IKEA, because in case you guys want anything from here, then you could simply use the direct link and buy yourself that same thing. Also got a lot of storage boxes because our wardrobe needed these organizers, so to speak, so as to divide everything, and these are actually stackable. Oh, they are not stackable? I thought they are the we didn't order the lids. Maybe we could. We were not sure exactly how we use it, but yeah, let's see. This is what I picked out for the altar. We are not really religious. He's not, but I do like my share of, like a routine that I have every day, light some incense sticks and stuff like that. So I thought this was a pretty neat thing because I knew I didn't want like a mandir thing, but this looks pretty neat actually. And the cool thing about this is that it has these grooves in here, which means you don't really need a frame or a holder or anything of that sort. This just goes into the walls. It's like a floating shelf. So I'm going to be using this for the makeshift altar slash mandir as of now. And I also want to show you guys, okay, by the way, this is called LACK, L-A-C-K. Yeah. So I picked out this one right here. This is called Berhalt. Excuse my poor pronunciation, but yeah. So this one is gonna go right here above my study area. So these you need to purchase these holders, but it looks really cool. I can't wait to show you guys as to how this turns out. So it comes with like 2 holders like this. I'm not sure if I want to paint this gold or not. Let's see how that pans out. But yeah, so these are the other 2 things. Besides a lot of kitchen stuff actually. There's like a whole lot of kitchen storage and cutlery and things like that that we picked up from IKEA, because we really searched a lot and somehow the IKEA quality finish and the pricing seemed to really work out well for us. So yeah. So we just moved on to the curtains and we're hoping to get this curtain rod and our curtains up. Okay, what I'm most excited about is this beautiful macrame curtain that I happened to find. Like, I would be lying if I told you I like didn't want something like this. I know you guys saw it in my mood board, but this was a hard find. I really desperately wanted this macrame curtain and I thought it would be a really tough deal to find something like this in Dubai, because I don't know, I haven't seen so much of a boho culture here. Things are really all about minimalism and they're really classy and more on the sophisticated side. So when I found this, it was an absolute no-brainer and I'm so excited that this is finally going up. I cannot wait to see this. This will go in the central part of the rod, and picked up 2 other very neutral jute fabrics, like they are like linen jute kind of a material, so that goes on the other 2 opposite sides. Okay, so we got some pizza. It's break time, we're tired, and there's been a bit of a hiccup that we didn't anticipate. You want to tell them?
No.
So mean.
I have to talk and have to be clear and loud. Where we plan to put the curtains, there is I think there's a rod behind it, so the drill is not going far enough, and now we have to see how to fit that, or we have to change the measurements. Or just get smaller screws. If that works, then great.
Yeah, so that's the first issue. We weren't able to get through the metal slab or rod or whatever there is on the other end, which we didn't know about. So yeah, we'll move on to the kitchen area now.
Kitchen or bedroom?
Kitchen, I think, because it's in a state of mess. There's like lots of pulses, rice, and all your other cooking stuff, which is just piled and because I didn't have storage boxes yet, which is just coming. So I think we'll go through that, like my kitchen to be spent. So yeah. So see you guys in a bit. For now, we're gonna devour our pizza. Devour. Yeah, that's what I know how to pronounce it.
Devour.
Yeah, keep you guys posted as to how that pans out.
Okay. Can I assemble the stuff now?
We are almost there. She's talking now. Okay, Google, stop music. I made us some laban with Vimto, that's for Anish, and some Vimto with water, that's for me. So if you don't know what Vimto is, since I didn't know what it is, it's basically like the UAE version of Ruh Afza. So yeah, pretty similar to that, but tastes a little different. And Anish likes his laban, which is like lassi, salted lassi,
Yeah.
something like that. So that's for him. And there you go. Unpacked all the big things that we purchased, like the mirror, the lamp, and we just try to figure out what goes where. We vaguely have an idea, but yeah, let's figure. Also, we're debating with the swing being in or outside. We obviously got it for the balcony, but we love it so much and we kind of use it so much when it's inside that we are tempted to keep it there where the mirror is right now. So the mirror was purchased thinking that it would go there, but now we want the swing to be inside and maybe just take it outside when and if and when. So let's see how that spans out. enjoying this series, because I know I'm really having fun shooting it all and taking you guys along with me on this super journey real time. See you guys.